Ito ang Expert T7000 made by Mountain Peak na may super light alloy hydroforming tube. Shimano 105 STI 2x11 speed ang kanyang integrated shifter na may drop bar na Pranta. So integrated drop bar yan mga idol, 420mm. Ang kanyang crank ay made by ProWheel Halotech, 50 yung pinakamalaki at syempre 36 yung pinakamaliit, 110 BCD. Alin na yung crank arm yan. Ang kanyang RD is made by Shimano 105, 11-speed drivetrain yan. At ang kanyang cogs is 11-speed din syempre. Cassette type made by Sugek. Then ang kanyang chain is made by KMC, 11-speed din yan mga idol. Ang kanyang crank syempre Halotech yan, made by ProWheel. Then, yan, naka-outboard, kita nyo, is made by ProWheel also, sealed bearing bottom bracket. Ang kanyang rim is made by Aerowick. 40mm ang lapad niyan, 28 holes. Siyempre, 28 holes din yung kanyang hubs, made by Aerowick din yan. Sealed bearing, through axle. Ang rear niyan is 12 by 155. Then, ang front naman is 12 by 122. Ang kanyang caliper is hydraulic actuated. Siyempre, yung hydraulic lang yung mismong caliper niya. 160mm yung rotor, front and rear na yan. Ang disenyo niya is aerodynamic na rin. Ang gulong niya ay 700 by 28C. So, yan na po. Tapos na po ang ating video para sa Mountain Peak Expert T7000. Maraming salamat po. Thank you.